Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitfinex. Today I'll take another look into the charts, and the boomers are at it. The Dixie spiked up, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 went down. Also gold went down, so that is very bad. I would like Powell to start printing some more. Yeah, it's really the boomers at it today, and we can see over here the Dixie made a higher high over here on a higher time frame or on the hourly time. Very clear over here as well. There's not a double top over here. It's a higher one. So we basically want the dollar to reject over here and go back down. Why? Well, this is the 2017 bull market for crypto, and this is the current one. And you can see Dixie weak means dollar up. S&P quite breakdown over here on the hourly. Could see a little bounce with bearish retest possibly, but a little bounce now is in the books. If you ask me, I just longed some Bitcoin. I was away the whole day, but I got home just before this video. I longed some Bitcoin. This is what we're seeing on Bitcoin with the neobutane funding indicator, funding and premiums. We saw, this top over here, we tapped it over here, we tapped it over here. This is resistance right now, and we rejected from it. Right now, what is the level we need to watch? Well, this one, very clearly this one. That is around 47k. If you break that one, Bitcoin is going down. Possible supports, another one would be 44, 45k. Last one would be 43k. And then, we are tapping into this range, 42k. So these are all the supports. I do not want us to break 47k over there. I really want us to bounce back up from here, go back above 50k and break, let's say 52k, have closes above 52k. That is what needs to happen for Bitcoin. That is all I have to say about that. We can see the same over here. This is the target bears are having, and this is the target, like all-time highs and moon is everything. What sane people are having, let's say. Sadly, we do have a little bit of, very much correlation with, I would say, the Nasdaq. So that's what we're looking at. Is this Ethereum? Ethereum is looking way, way better than Bitcoin, in my opinion. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin right now. Ethereum doesn't look as bad as Bitcoin does. Yeah, very interesting. Ethereum, I would say, still bullish. We haven't even tapped this support over here. Ethereum is very bullish. Ethereum BTC is looking good as well. I don't know why. I don't know what's the reason for that. But it's looking good. It's looking very good. On a lower time, or like on a high time frame, you wouldn't be that wild, but this is ultimately still my target. But on the daily, it's looking like it's bottoming. It's very much looking like it's bottoming. Kind of like a round bottom making over here. And I would long this. Ethereum is looking good. Targets, all-time highs for me. All-time highs, big word, but 0.05 is what I'm targeting. Lower time frames, we can just look at higher highs, that's what we ultimately want. So third target would be over here, or this one, I would say. Lower time frame, close above this level over here. And just take every top, VPVR, also a good level. But ultimately, we want to have a close above this horizontal line over here. Taking a look at ADA. Some people are balls deep into ADA. ADA not looking that good over here. Broke down. Hopefully for you guys, for the people who are invested in it, it will mean higher lows. To make a higher low, I would say they need to hold this one over here. And actually, yeah, that's really the area they need to hold over here. For now, it is a high low. I'm not too sure about it if I would want to get in over here. So one of my viewers recently bought ADA, but I mean, I wouldn't be a buyer of ADA over here. I would seriously not. Clear breakdown over here. Yeah, I would sell ADA. Matic kind of the same as ADA over here. Looking like it's stopping. I mean, clear break of this one. Matic, not a buy. I mean, Matic, you know, like if you want hopium, you know, you want them to hold this support, want them to hold this one. But ADA, like, it does weird things, you know, if you zoom out, it's like a really weird chart. Big dumps over here, big shakeouts all the time. Over here as well, big stop run. I mean, it's hard one to trade. Do not use leverage on Matic. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Leo, not a lot of volume, but the fundamentals of Leo are just very, very bullish. And they're keeping their level very nicely over here. Leo is a long-term hold of mine. Bitfinex and Tether are gonna buy 100% of all the Leos back. So that is just a really nice guarantee for me. I just use it as my spot coin now. Yeah, I have a lot of Leo and long-term very bullish on it since everything will be bought back. Sushi, let's zoom out a little bit for now. It's some upwards consolidation, I would say. Not really bearish or anything. Making lows, making higher highs. I wouldn't really be buying it over here, but it's not worrying either, I would say. This is something I would look at for not really something like this. Yeah, not looking too bad. Kind of making a rising wedge over here. But I mean, in a bull market, you know, they can break up and that's extremely bullish. For now, I wouldn't be too worried about Sushi. Sushi's like it's consolidating. Not looking too bad on the 4-hour. Badger, I mean, the fundamentals of Badger are just very bullish and, in my opinion, undervalued. Why? Well, Badger has twice their market cap in their treasury. So, yeah, you don't have to worry about Badger. Undervalued. You want them to hold this level over here, big support over here. If they break it, you know, next support would be this level over here, 35. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it. Badger is something very bullish. Yeah, what did we see today? Fundings and premiums completely disappeared. I'm bullish. I just longed. Just based off of that, I think we should bounce. Same for the Nasdaq and the S&P. I think a little bounce over here is very welcome and is in the books. Nasdaq would bounce till over here, gold over here, and yeah, S&P 500 till over there. And maybe a bullish retest on this level, 91 something, on the Dixie. So a little short-term bounce is what I'm playing on Bitcoin right now. Longer term, we have to see what the boomer stocks are doing, what the boomers are up to, and what Jay Powell is up to. That's all that matters right now. We're very much correlated still. So that's about it. If you want to know some more about updates, sometimes, you know, on my Twitter, I update every now and then my recent trades. Follow me on Twitter. Make sure to follow me as well. Subscribe on YouTube. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys want to see in my videos. And I hope to see you guys back again tomorrow. See you guys back tomorrow. Yeah. Anyway, happy trading.